Hi, I'm Mr. Rahman. Our today's class is about Python list. Now we are talking about Python list. What is Python list? How Python list is work? Okay. Now we go through our W3 school website. And here this is talking about the Python list. If we see how to declare a Python list, we know first of all we need to add value in a variable. We can store one value in one variable, but if we need to store more than one value in a variable, we need to use list in Python. Okay, we can add list, tuples, or set, but lists are more efficient for if we need to find out the list length. That means to determine how many items is contained in a list. Okay, so for this example, here this list contains three values. That means we need to find out the length of 3. Okay, so what do we need to do? We need to do print length this list. If we need to print, we can print, or if we need to store in a variable, we can then print the variable. Okay, length function print the list length. Okay, this list should be in length function. Okay, that means length. First, in between first bracket we declare the variable, then we find the length. List item that we can make items in many other data types like string, boolean, integer, double, floating types. Okay, we can store different data types in a one variable in list. Okay, like that in list 1 we we store string data types, integer data types, boolean data types, then again integer data types, then string data types. Okay, we can store multiple data types in one single list. Okay, then type. If we need to find out the data type of list, we need to use the type function. Okay, like length function. Okay, we can use type function for getting the type of a length. Okay, then list constructor. Okay, list constructor, that means it makes a list. Okay, it makes a list by using using two double brackets. It's called list constructor. It's called the list constructor. Okay, then we can how can access the list item. Now we go through the next item. Okay, and how to access the list item. For accessing list item, what we need to do? We need to declare in position of square brackets. The position number 1, that means banana 0, 1, 2. Okay, our counting position is from counting from 0, then 1, then 2. So this list square brackets 1 means banana. Okay, then if we counting from by declaring negative position, that means it count from the end. Okay, -1 means the last one, -2 means the second last one. Okay, then range of index. If we talking about range of index, that means this is the starting position and this is the ending before ending position. That means if 2, 5, okay, that means it started from cherry. Okay, 0, 1, 2. Then it will stop before 5. It's starting, but it's not ending point. It will -1 because it will be 4. The ending position is 4, but before 5. Okay, that means 2 position is cherry, and that means 2, 3, 4. It will print only cherry, orange, and kiwi. If we go through the program, then we will see it will print only cherry, orange, kiwi. Okay, that means it's get the position of 2 to 4 position. Okay, then that means this declaration is like the first position is absent and last position is declared. So here the value is printing the 0 from the first position to position 3. before 4. Okay, that means it will print apple, banana, cherry, orange. Okay, that will print apple, banana, cherry, and orange. Okay, everyone. Then, if we see the last example of the accessing values, okay, if we access the values like that, it will be first one is declared, but last one is absent. So, starting point from cherry, okay, 0, 1, 2. But last position is absent. For these reasons, it will print 2 to last position. Okay, that means it will print cherry, orange, kiwi, melon, and mangoes. That's about our today's class topic. Thank you all. See you tomorrow. Assalamu.